Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 AGRIC Science Past Question, question 18. Which of the following is stored dry? A. Fruits, B. Birds, C. Insects, and D. Animals. Now, like we know, drying is one of the process or method of storage. Drying is one of the process or method of what? Of storing agricultural products. Other methods like freezing. We have other methods like freezing. We have other methods also, several methods also, but today we are considering what's drying. And now the question says the following is stored dry. Which of the following is stored dry? A says fruits, B says birds, C says insects, and D says animals. Now this is a very technical question which we need to analyze properly for us to pick the right answer. Why I'm saying this is because now let's begin with this D, animals. If you look at animals, the meat gotten from animals can actually be stored by drying. But now the question do not say what meat. The question did not say meat. Instead, the question says what? It says animal. So therefore, we cannot go for this question. We can't go for this option. C also says insects. Insects automatically is wrong. Then B says birds. Also, meats obtained from birds can also be stored by drying. But now the question, the options did not say meat. The option says what? Birds. And for us to be critical in our analysis, we can't go for birds because it is too ambiguous. We can't go for birds. But A here says what? Fruits. Now fruits generally can be stored dried. Fruits can be stored dried. And like we know that fruits are products of what? Of crop plants. Like your maize is a fruit. Your mango is a fruit. The cashew is a fruit. Your vegetables are fruits, and all this can be stored dry. So now the most suitable option or suitable answer to this question is option A, fruits. Fruits is stored dry. So whenever you have faced with this kind of question, you have to analyze each of the options for you to pick the most correct answer. And in this aspect, the most correct answer here is option A, which is fruits. Remember, I said B and D would have been correct if we're given meat, because meat is a product of birds and animals, but we're not given meat, so option B is wrong, and option D too is also wrong. Likewise, option C is wrong, so the correct answer is A, fruits. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.